our Masterbatch industry in India is in continuous evolution phase, and we are getting a lot of support from our customers. It's a collaborative work. It's a complete collaborative work wherein we are getting to learn so many things from them. What are their actual requirements? Why do they need it? And then, see, in our industry, in Masterbatch industry, one of the major challenges is testing, validation. Because doing some validation on a lab scale and then that on practical scale, and how to correlate. So that is a big question mark. What is the degree of accuracy? How much safety factor have we taken? So all those things we have learned, our customers have learned, and then together we are doing good work. So certainly we in terms of quantity or quality, we are absolutely ready, perfectly ready to meet the demand.
That's
and
good.
Not only India demand, global demand.
That's good to hear, and a very good note.
See, as of now, we have done expansion over past 12 months. We have practically doubled our capacity for both Masterbatches and compounds. If I talk about specifically new product that we have developed, it's more related to fire safety. Fire safety, we have a pretty big range, be it compound or Masterbatch, in textile, automobile, then electrical appliances, all those fire safety. Electrical safety, we have developed a few products which we have started exporting also. Then we have done many import substitution. The Masterbatches and compounds which were being regularly imported in our country. So we have worked upon those, and import substitution has been done in a significant quantum.
Sounds exciting. I mean, I can't think of any European Masterbatch makers that are doubling their capacity right now. So certainly, it's good to hear that. It's good to hear that.
Yeah, the reason behind it, because Indian market is growing. Indian market is growing, and then earlier there was a lot of import of Masterbatches and compounds, and the domestic market is looking for domestic solution, and as well as we are getting very good support from the export markets. It's a big world. Additive again, what I spoke about the safety aspects, be it electrical, fire, thermal, light, all these are served in form of additive master. So additive Masterbatch, and because the world is getting more and more customized, everyone wants to have different taste. Every individual has a different taste, and the taste keep on changing. We don't want to repeat the same food even in our own, if we talk about our practical life. So I have a mixed opinion on this. As long as we know about the regulation, it's good. And if there is something new about which we don't know, and then we have to go in detail and then inquire everything, there are so much of documentation to be done, then at times it becomes a bit tedious also. Nevertheless, from regulations, we are able to learn so many things. And then when we go into why part, why this regulation, what is the objective of this regulation, then that becomes meaningful for us. And then we start from our side. We take initiative on proactive basis, we share the details with the customers. Because what I believe, Masterbatch, we are the functional property provided in plastic industry. So our role is not only to supply Masterbatch, our role is to share knowledge. Why regulation, what is importance, what the regulation says, what are good points, and why it should be followed. So that gives us an opportunity to differentiate ourselves